Why? Regular car service is crucial. Ever been stranded on the side of the road, wishing you'd taken better care of your car? It's a nightmare scenario that can be easily avoided with regular car service. Let's dive into why neglecting those service appointments can cost you big time. Your car is a complex machine with countless components working in harmony. Just like your body needs regular checkups, your car needs regular service to keep it running smoothly. Safety first. Regular service ensures that your brakes, tires, lights, and steering are in top condition. These components are crucial for keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. Prevent major breakdowns. Catching small issues early can save you from costly repairs. Regular inspections can identify potential problems before they escalate into major breakdowns. Fuel efficiency. A well-maintained car burns less fuel. Regular tune-ups can improve your car's fuel economy, saving you money at the pump. Resale value. A service history is a major selling point. Potential buyers are more likely to pay top dollar for a car with a clean service record. While it might seem tempting to skip a service to save money, the long-term costs of ignoring maintenance can far outweigh the initial expense. Regular car service is an investment in your safety, your wallet, and your car's overall health. So, don't ignore those service reminders. Schedule that appointment today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a well-maintained vehicle. What do you think? Share your car maintenance tips in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care advice.